everybody, welcome back. This is Marybeth here inside of one of my all-time favorite classified websites, Craigslist.org. What I want to do today is show you how we are able to post these $5 ads to a very popular, high traffic, high quality classified website for our traffic and lead generation strategies that we utilize and we teach and we train on. This works amazingly well because we are using an automated tool, an automated software. And what this is doing for us, it's amazing. It's enabling us to work smarter and not harder. And it's automating the process. I love it. I've been using this tool with great results, great success for the past couple of years ever since it was released. And I want to continue to share it with you because everybody, in order to be successful online, all while you're building your number one asset, which is your email list, because the money's in the list, the fortune is in the follow-up. You need to always be in a state of lead abundance. You don't want to risk falling victim to lead poverty. This is one way to successfully and effectively generate high-quality leads consistently throughout the month. So here we are here. Here's an ad that I recently posted. And the beautiful thing is we provide you with the ad copy. We provide you with the images. So it literally eliminates the guesswork out of the equation. You don't have to stress about how to create these ads, what to say in these ads. Everything is provided to you, but you do have to post them. But that is really easy. Okay, so here's one of my most recent ones that I just put up. And see right here at the close of the ad, we provide a call to action, which reads, hit the reply button for your free 7-minute video today. So I'm going to demo right now exactly how this works, because it's the software that is automating the process. So we don't ever have to manually respond or manually reply to people seeking information from our ads. Okay? It's part of the automated process. It works amazingly well, and it frees us of our time. It gives us time freedom. Okay? And to many of us, that is very, very important. All right? So here we go. Here's the demo. Here's the ad. Somebody lands here. They are interested. They're obviously going to hit reply. They're going to choose the email provider that they are currently utilizing. And they're going to type something like this. Please send me more info. Something like that. And then they're going to hit the send button. Okay? And this is what's going to happen. Two things are going to happen. Okay? So let me share those with you right now. We're going to go into my email. Okay? And I want to show you exactly how this works right here. Let me do a refresh. Okay. And there we go. Promotions. Okay. Let me refresh her up one more time. Okay, and there they are. So what happens is somebody hits reply. You're going to instantly get an email. That's going to designate and indicate that somebody was on your post and they hit reply, they wanted information. So you're going to be able to see and evaluate how your Craigslist ads are performing throughout the month. And you can put these ads up for $5 for a period of 30 days. Then you have the option at the end of those 30 days to renew the ads. Okay? Works really well. So here we go. See, here's the title. And you'll know the titles, okay? You want to keep track of those, especially once you start posting a lot of ads. So you just simply click here and see, please send me more information. So this is indicative that somebody was on that ad, and here it is right here, and they wanted more information. And then the link is here. So contained in the link is the geographic city of the request for the information. So you can see what city people are responding to, and that way you have a really good idea when you go to have the option to renew those ads after 30 days. So that's part number one. And then we go right up here and see this is what my prospect is going to automatically receive. So we never have to manually reply. This came from my Craigslist autoresponder inside of my Craigslist auto reply software that I set up inside of my back office of Get Fearless Freedom. So here is the subject that they're going to receive, and it says your information from my Craigslist posting, and what they are getting is the auto reply message that I set up in my back office. It's literally set and forget once and done. And I'll read this to you right now. Okay? Hello, this is Marybeth Angelelli, and I appreciate you replying to my ad today. Did you know that Craigslist gets 10 million unique visitors per day? Did you also know you can earn $500 reselling to those that want an automated system like this to collect leads to their business? And this tool and software can be used to generate traffic and leads for any business of your choice, including Get Fearless Freedom, because remember, it is a complete comprehensive marketing system, providing you with all the tools, resources, step-by-step training, software, everything you need to build the business of your choice, including, of course, Get Fearless Freedom, where you're provided with full master resale rights to resell 4 done-for-you digital products and keep 100% of the profits. And then test this out for yourself. And then I have the link to my Get Fearless Freedom capture page right here. Okay, with the call to action hyperlinked. Please click here for our 7-minute video today. Somebody clicks that and voila, they're taken right to my capture page, right to my website for Get Fearless Freedom, where they can enter their best email address right here. They click show me more. They're going to be redirected to my bridge page, which serves as the buffer between this page and my Get Fearless Freedom capture page with the 7-minute video. And those bridge pages work extremely well. It's like a little hidden secret, because with Get Fearless Freedom, you're able to create unlimited, very high converting capture pages just like this for any business of your choice. The company hosts them for you, and you can create up to 5 customizable, brandable bridge pages for any business of your choice. Those are ingenious because they do something really effective, really powerful. They're out there working for you, building that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your prospects. Ultimately helping you to enhance and increase your conversions. Because remember, people buy from people that they come to know, like, and trust. Okay? It's just a given. And this system, the reason why it works so well, it provides and delivers such great results, it's so high converting because it gives you everything you need to build your #1 asset, your email list, and that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your prospects. So that's the process right there. I just took you from my ad and showed you in a quick, simple little demo how that works. Now we're going to go into the actual setup of my back office of Get Fearless Freedom so you can see how easy this setup is. So here we go right now. This is the back office, okay, and this is available in the mastery level, at the mastery level, $500, okay, and this is the dashboard right here, okay. This is where you're able to create unlimited lead capture pages and your campaigns, up to 5 customizable, brandable bridge pages. You set up your email system right here. The company, by the way, is the only one in the industry that has this Craigslist auto reply software, as well as a exclusive done-for-you email portal, where the owner just so happens to be an expert professional copywriter, as well as a 7-figure income earner, and she emails our leads regularly and consistently for us. It's part of the follow-up. We just focus on driving traffic to our pages. This system is responsible for doing what we need it to do. Build our #1 asset, our email list, because that's where the money is. The money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up, and it just so happens this done-for-you email portal, unique, one of a kind in the industry, does an incredible job with all of the follow-up. This is an automated system, by the way, folks. Between the 7-minute video that's out there working for us, doing all of our telling, selling, and explaining for us, so we don't have to be present doing presentations, these onesies and twosies, that's out there working for us. There's also an optional 800 number hotline directly below the video on our sales page, below the 7-minute video. There's an option the company will close your leads for you. Somebody can call that number, provide them with your unique ID, leave a message, they get a reply back, they get all their questions answered, and if they're ready to go, the company will close them and get you paid, okay? Also, this Craigslist auto reply software is an automated tool. It's part of the automations, and so is the done-for-you email portal. It's part of the automations because you don't have to write emails. They're automatically sent out for you on your behalf for your Get Fearless Freedom business. So with that being said, let's get back on track here. All you do is go to the mastery level, click on Craigslist Autoresponder. That's where you're going to find the setup and the training. You simply start here by watching this video, how to use Craigslist for inexpensive marketing. Then you follow these instructions to a T. Okay, there's 6 simple steps. You don't want to deviate away from these. They must be followed exactly and precisely. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Number 6 is very, very important. When you go to create your brand new Craigslist.org account, you're going to be using this email that's assigned to you. Every member is assigned their own unique email. You create this, okay? You create a password, and then you log in using this information right here. In the follow-up settings, you provide a personal email because it's the personal email that serves as the forwarding email. When somebody hits the reply button, the replies go to your personal email right here. This email is designed for creation purposes, okay? And it works amazingly well. This is how we're able to get our ads up effectively and successfully, through the creation of this that the programmer has created and set up for us, okay? And then this was the message that I shared with you, and this is the message that instantaneously goes out to people who hit that reply button, so we don't have to manually reply. It works amazingly well. So there's the message right there. And you hyperlink the link to your capture page. You always lead with the capture page. That's the opt-in form, so that you're collecting and capturing email addresses as new subscribers onto your email list. Okay? And then once you do that, you hit this button right here, Submit Craigslist Follow-up, and everything is set up. Literally set and forget once and done. That's how easy this is, folks. Okay? It's right here again, mastery level. Click on Craigslist Autoresponder. Watch this video to learn how to make full use of Craigslist as a marketing avenue that really works. Here's the 6 simple steps, your instructions. If you need to go back and revisit these, review them more than once, they're always going to be here for you to serve as a reference point, okay? And then you set it up and create it with this address. When you go to Craigslist.org, create a brand new account using this email. Use a personal email here. You see, this email and this email are different. This is my personal Gmail. It serves as my forwarding email, okay, for replies. And here's my auto response message. You literally create this one time, set and forget. But if you do need to go back and change it out for any reason or update anything here, folks, you can always do that. And when you do, just click on Submit Craigslist Follow-up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this finds you well. Hope you're inspired by it. Hope you're excited, because this is a great way to help you to build any business of your choice successfully. We all need successful lead generation methods and strategies. This is one right here that works. It is simple. It is super cost effective, and you can also resell this marketing system as well. You can be a user and you can be a reseller. Dual purpose. 2 wonderful benefits, folks, and keep 100% commissions. If you come in at the mastery, you're going to be able to have the mastery plus the funnel builder, so you'll be able to potentially earn unlimited $200 and unlimited $500 commissions potentially when you get a new customer that purchases directly from you, and you can get paid however you wish. Okay, so with that being said, folks, what I want you to do now, head over to bestincomechoice.com, enter a valid email address, click on the button, and you'll be taken right inside of my funnel. You can see firsthand the anatomy of a successful sales funnel, and you'll be able to create these too for great results and much continued success. So thank you so much. Look forward to hopefully seeing you soon on the inside of Get Fearless Freedom. Any questions, let me tell you that I do welcome all serious inquiries in closing. Just text or call me, 330-787-1795. You'll also see my contact details below at the bottom of my bridge page when you come through my funnel. And it's also going to be listed and posted in the description. Okay, so once again, this is where you're going to be heading right now. Okay, bestincomechoice.com. These pages convert very, very well, and when you become a member of Get Fearless Freedom, you'll have access to all of these pages and be able to receive and utilize all the wonderful benefits, as well as resell and keep 100% of the profits. Thank you so much. See you soon on the inside. It's all below here in the description. Head over to bestincomechoice.com, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.